What about a rainy day Wali Maggi? Stay tuned.
Oh, it's 20th of February, 20 February 2025, and it's 11:30 a.m. So it's raining. And let me see what I can do. This stray cat already is here, taking a shelter. That's her nature. I'm planning to do something. Maybe lemon Maggi. It will be better. Let's see. Oh God. She is going to stay. This is simply heaven, you know. What I told you that I'm going to share the recipe of lemon Maggi, but there is a twist. This is going to be Gondhoraj Lemon Maggi for all the Maggi lovers. I did not find any lemon in my freezer, but I have Gondhoraj Lebu. So that's why I thought to prepare with that, and trust me, it is really awesome. So what you are waiting for, just go through the recipe. Meanwhile, I will enjoy my lunch, this Gondhoraj Lemon Maggi, and you go through the recipe. And if you don't have Gondhoraj lemon at home, just at least once you just go and grab it. So this is a quick and sudden recipe for all the Maggi lovers. Do try this recipe and let me know. So bye, go through the recipe. Let's start with the ingredients. There are a few ingredients, not much. So I have this chopped garlic, and this is chopped coriander. The showstopper is Maggi, and I love just Maggi. So I'm going to use this one Maggi. Already I prepare for my parents, so they had it already. And this is the Maggi masala, which is inside this Maggi pack. And this is chopped spring onions, which I had in my kitchen garden. And this is lemon juice, but there is a twist. What I have, let me show you. So this is the Gondhoraj lemon. Because it was raining outside and I thought to prepare the lemon Maggi, but I don't have the round lemon. I have this Gondhoraj Lebu. That's why I thought to prepare with that, and trust me, it is really good. Tasted by my parents. And this is my turmeric powder. So let's go for the cooking. First, you know how to prepare the Maggi. 1 cup water, and then I have to boil the water, and then I will add the Maggi. Now I will add this Maggi. No, I don't have to break it, but I have to prepare the Maggi like this. So both sides I have to prepare, and then I will keep it. I need this water later. So once I'm done, I will come back. Let me show you. The boiled Maggi is done. So switch off the gas, and I will keep this Maggi in this bowl. Isn't it very cute one? Now what I will do, first I will add little bit of vegetable oil, and this is I will cook in a low flame because I don't want burnt garlic, just the saute one. So very quickly I have to prepare this, and I'm not using anything except this tong. Okay. And now at this stage I will add the coriander leaf. If anybody wants, they can use the green chili as well, but you know, I cannot have this tikka thing. Every time I am saying this, that I cannot have tikka. So it's sauteed, and now the next thing, that is the Maggi masala. And for the color, this is optional. If you want, you can add this, but no, if you don't want, you can skip this one. So I am using this turmeric just for the nice yellow color, and of course there will be an aroma. So here what I will do, I will add this excess water. I told you I need the water so that it won't burn. And here quickly I have to mix it. This is really good one, you know, just try it. And now I will add this Maggi. And by the way, if you don't have Gondhoraj lemon, You can try this with normal lemon as well. That is fine. I have Gondhoraj Lebu. Actually, I have a small tree, so that's why I have the Gondhoraj Lebu. Only one Gondhoraj Lebu. So now I am adding this Gondhoraj Lemon Juice. Very quickly I have to start it. You see, it's very easy. And what else? If you don't have lemon, you know it's lemon, so don't use the vinegar. So already it's done. And now I will switch off the gas and I will do the plating. Stay tuned. And it's time for plating. Very easy. You know, I am using this soup bowl. Sometimes I have soup, sometimes I have the Maggi. Almost done. And now, you remember the spring onion? I can remember now. I will sprinkle some spring onion over here. And this coriander leaf. And don't forget this Gondhoraj lemon. So, it's done. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen. I'm going to enjoy it. What you are waiting for? Go and enjoy. Let me have a closer look. Wow, I cannot wait. So don't forget to check MaddyBee. What is that? You have to Google it.
With me, enjoy the rainy day Wali Gondhoraj Lemon Maggi.